everyone, it's Lynn here. Welcome to my channel. How's everyone doing? I hope you're all well. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a flat fold, easy to make autumn card, just using some stamps and some colouring mediums. So the inspiration today for my autumn card is taken from a gorgeous tree in my front garden. And this is a couple of the leaves here. So yeah, this is where I've taken my inspiration today, and look at the beautiful colours, the gorgeous red and the yellows, oranges and browns in this one, and a hint of red. It is an absolutely lovely tree. It gets yellow berries on, and then the leaves turn to these gorgeous colours. So I've got a piece of craft card which is 4.5 by 6.5. I've got my stamping platform at the ready, and I've chosen this little stamp here, which is a lovely little leaf design, and I've just popped that ready to start in the corner of my craft card. So without further ado, let's get started. So I've just inked my stamp up using some Dewdrop fade resistant Memento Espresso Truffle ink, and I'm just going to pop that first of all in the corner there, and all I'm going to do is just work my way around my card, popping the stamp in different places onto the craft card. So I've just been popping my little leaf die in different places onto the card. So I've already got a few done, and honestly it's not really taken too long to do that. Just a little bit there. That's the good thing with the stamping platform. If you miss any, you can just go over them. Get that one popped there. So I'm just going to work my way around the card, and I will fast forward the video and then come back to you. I absolutely love colouring, I do, and I love the colours of autumn. I've got a fabulous tree out in my front garden. It's a big tree, and I'm not sure what the name of it is, and it gets lovely berries on it, and in the autumn it goes an absolutely beautiful reds and russet colours. It's absolutely gorgeous. So here I'm just sort of mixing the colours and making them like an autumn colour. On the ends of the leaves, I've just got my green pencils, and I'm just going over those. So I'm just going to continue my colouring. I get lost when I'm colouring, I do. I really love it. It's one of my favourite things. And these pencils are quite nice and not too expensive. I know there are more expensive pencils out there, but as yet I haven't invested in those. That might come at a later date when I feel the need to maybe buy some. So I'm just doing a darker orange there, and then using the same pencil, I'm just coming in lighter at the top and just blending the two together. And you should hopefully be able to see how darker it is at the bottom and then the lighter orange at the top. So I've finished all my colouring there with all the bonny reds, oranges, yellows and browns. And what I've done is I've stamped out some extra leaves, and I've put some 3D foam pads onto the back, and I'm not going to put them on every leaf. I'm just dotting them about. So I've got a few already stuck on, so I'm just going to peel the backs off of the foam pads, and I'm just sticking them randomly around the card. So this one is a red one. That one's going to pop on top of a red one. So I've just kept the same colour underneath and then pop the decoupage one onto the top. I'm then going with this brown one here. I think I've got 9 altogether once I put these last couple on. Pop that one there, like so. And then this red one, where was this going to go? I think I was just going to pop that there. I will peel the foam pads, the backs off of the foam pads, and just stick that down. That is red, yeah, like so. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I've got a alphabet stamp, and I'm going to stamp the word autumn out. So I'm just going to ink it up using my Eyes Ink Siri ink pad. I'm only able to do 3 of the letters at the moment because I need a U twice, so I'm just doing 3. So I've lined those up, and I'm just going to press that out like so. Then I shall take my U again. Oh, I've just popped the rest of my, oh dear, I've gone and inked it with my espresso ink. Oh dear me. Right, just as well I check there. That's it, that's fine. Just make sure everything's off. Glad I looked there. Right, I'll do the proper ink now. Ink that up. Just making sure it is all inked nicely. And then pop it over. I think my paper might have moved a little bit. Pop the rest of the lettering down and give it a good press in, and there we go. There is our autumn. Okie dokie, so now it's just a case of popping the card together. So I've taken myself a 5 by 7 inch card blank, and I've turned that to be landscape style. I've then taken a paper from a Phil Martin paper pad, and this measures 6 3/4 by 4 7/8. So I'm just going to grab my glue and pop a bit of glue around the edge of the paper here. I'm just going to stick this down, so this is just leaving a little border around the edge just for the cream card to show through at the sides. I've then taken a piece of the cream card, so it's the same as I've used on the card base, and this piece measures 6.5 by 4 3/4 of an inch. And again, I will just pop a little bit of glue around the edge here, like so. It's a lovely day to craft. It's awful outside. It's windy, it's wet, so it's a great day to be indoors. Love being all cozy when it's like that outside. So we shall just line this up, and again I've cut that so we can see the card underneath popping through. And then I'm going to take the craft card with the lovely leaves. Oops, that one's dropped off from somewhere. Might be from over here somewhere. I've just taken my craft card and I'm just popping a little bit of glue around the edge here. I'm going to stick this down on top of the cream card. And again, I've left a border around to show the cream card underneath. So yeah, like that. It's looking good. I really like that. I think I'll pop a little bit of glue just on there because the foam pads have lost a little bit of sticky there. I'm just going to pop that on with some glue. Then I've got my autumn sentiment, and I'm just going to pop this flat into the center of the card with my glue, and then I'll line that up into the center like so. So there you go, there is my finished card, and how great does that look? I absolutely love it. A fairly simple card, but very, very effective. And my inspiration came from a tree in my front garden, and I will just show you a couple of the leaves that have started to fall from the tree. Look at the beautiful, beautiful colour of the red in this one, and the orange, yellows and browns in this one. And how gorgeous are they? If I get a chance, I will see if I can insert a photograph of my tree where I have taken my inspiration for this gorgeous card today. So I hope you have enjoyed my video today. If you have, and you like what you see, would you please consider subscribing to my channel? And also, would you consider giving me a thumbs up? I would be ever so grateful for this. I will be back on Sunday in my new Crafting for Christmas series, where I will be sharing some Christmas projects with you. So until then, happy crafting, take care, see you all soon, bye bye for now.